The Vuforia Spatial Toolbox is an experimentation platform for spatial computing. By using the Spatial Toolbox, you can browse through a pocket of spatial tools. For example, you can take a slider and place it in the environment. You can also use a graph tool. By activating the spatial programming mode, nodes become visible and allow you to connect different tools. Once connected, the value of the slider can be visualized in the graph tool. You can tap on any tool and modify its position, rotation, and scale. You can also define the visibility distance for each tool by holding and moving further. In this case, the graph will be visible from a larger distance than the slider. Not only can you perform spatial programming with visual nodes, but these nodes can also modify the behavior of hardware systems via the Vuforia Spatial Edge server. By pointing the Spatial Toolbox at this demo machine, you can see how the machine is programmed. The two buttons are connected to a logic node that controls the conveyor belt, that, at the same time, drives the LEDs on the other end. This is how the machine works, but it is not only a visualization, it is the actual program itself. If you disconnect the buttons from the conveyor belt, the buttons stop working. Once you reconnect the buttons, the machine starts working again. If you want to invert the LED signal so that it turns green when the machine is running, you can use logic nodes for that. Tap on a logic node and the Spatial Toolbox presents an interface to program these logic nodes with all kinds of visual blocks. You can reprogram any behavior using these blocks. Now, you have reprogrammed the machine so that the buttons and LEDs match. This is a single demo machine with multiple nodes. However, the user can look at multiple systems as well and connect them together. This second demo machine is a scale that runs another program. A limiter tool shows the weight on the scale and a little button to activate it. By selecting the spatial programming mode, you can see the nodes and connect this scale system to the feeder machine. By doing so, the two separate systems can work as a unified system in the environment. The feeder will feed content to the bin on the scale until it reaches the set threshold. At any given moment, you can make adjustments in real time. The system is modular and flexible, and anyone can add new functionality using HTML and JavaScript. You can also use WebGL to generate 3D tools. This is a simple demo providing an overview of the Vuforia Spatial Toolbox capabilities. Check out our tutorials, documentation, and join our community to start your own Vuforia Spatial Toolbox project.